Welcome to our guide on how to effectively mute words from your Twitter notifications on your PC. Let's explore the steps to customize your Twitter experience and manage the content you see in your notifications. To begin, click on More from the side navigation menu, then proceed to select Settings and Privacy. Next, navigate to the Privacy and Safety tab and click on Mute and Block. Within the Mute and Block section, locate and click on Muted Words to start organizing your muted list. Click on the plus icon to add a new muted word, then input the specific word you wish to mute from your notifications. After entering the word, ensure to choose Notifications to mute it from appearing in your notification feed. Specify that you want to mute the word from people you don't follow to filter out content from those accounts. Now, under Mute Timing, you have the flexibility to select how long you want to mute the word. You can opt to mute the word indefinitely for 24 hours, 7 days, or 30 days. Select the duration that aligns with your preferences. Lastly, click Save to apply your muted word settings to your Twitter notifications. By following these steps, you can easily customize your notification feed and manage the content you receive on Twitter. Take charge of your Twitter notifications by muting specific words and tailor your Twitter experience to suit your preferences. Enjoy a more personalized and enjoyable Twitter experience by muting words from your notifications.